Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be setting up the table for some hot cocoa and some treats. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called the Hot Beverage Valentine's Day Treats and Sweets. And today we do have a birthday edition. We'll be celebrating Sandy Lynn Home and Garden. Her birthday. But I also want to mention there's a couple of other people I know that are having a birthday, and that is Jennifer at Home and Z9 Designs. If I'm missing anyone for the month of January, we will catch up with you soon. Okay, let's get started, guys. Now let's talk about who's hosting. So hosting this collaboration is Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So we do have some co-hosts. Let me mention them. We have Barbie Daily, Rule Life in the Valley. We have Jennifer at Home, and we also have Table Talk with Robin. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now, let's look at the table. So I already have the table set for winter, and I placed a teapot there. I absolutely love this teapot. Was thrifted with the 2 mugs. So you can basically have hot cocoa or your favorite hot beverage. It can be tea, it can be coffee, it can be anything that you guys would like to have. I just have this set there. Now, I am setting the table with those silver chargers that did come from the Dollar Tree, and then the dessert plate that's sitting on top of it was a thrifted item. So I did place a fork in the center of that dessert plate, and that was from Aldi. Then I placed some water glasses that were also thrifted there, and now I'm going to be bringing dessert. Now, I am absolutely loving this. I love the color pink. And since it is Valentine's Day theme, I thought I would buy some heart cookies. So I brought out the cake, brought out the cookies. I am going to be bringing a container, heart shape, that has sugar in it for whoever wants some sugar. I think this looks absolutely amazing for the birthday person, Sandy Lynn, and all of you. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed birthday. All right, so we know we light the candle, and we're going to get ready to head on over to the reveal. Now, doesn't this table look absolutely amazing? I absolutely love this collaboration. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.